This is a Greek city of Sirkap in ancient Taxila. Taxila is a city of ruins and of mounds. The Buddhist history is incomplete without the history of Taxila, the history of Gandhara. These are the glorious ruins of ancient city. This is very beautiful, and it's a very large site. You're seeing only the ruins, you cannot see the residents. It's only a history now, but to derive power from the history is actual thing. This was once a thriving city, a Buddhist city, and it was the center of learning. People from all around the world visited this place. Sirkap city was built by the Greek Bactrian king Demetrius after he invaded, or after he captured, the northern India. This is a Greek city built by the king Demetrius in 180 BC. So it's 180 years before Christ. Taxila is the pivotal junction of the Indian subcontinent and Central Asia. The king Ashoka remained governor of this city, and many Greeks came here, they lived here, the Greek city is here, and philosophers, students, teachers, monks, masters from everywhere thronged to the city of Taxila. The excavation of the old city was carried out by under the supervision of Sir John Marshall by Hargreave from 1912 to 1930. In 1944 and 45, further parts were excavated by Mortimer Wheeler and his colleagues. Most of the discoveries at Sirkap related to the Indo-Scythian and Indo-Parthian periods, 1st and 2nd century AD. Overall excavation to the Greek levels have been very limited, and probably much remains hidden underground. In Sirkap, only about 1/8 of the excavations were made down to the Indo-Greek and early Indo-Scythian levels, and this only in an area far removed from the center of the ancient city, where few discoveries could be expected.